I'm Jennifer from Gardening with Dogs, and today we are going to be planting blazing stars. They're also known as Gayfeather, and their actual name is Liatris violet. These bloom midsummer to fall. They're so okay. See how they're kind of bloom up and then they get these pretty blooms. They attract butterflies. Butterflies love them, and bees and other pollinators. They're deer resistant. They're full sun, part sun. They're winter hardy, and they grow in zones, I think, 2 through 9. Let's see. Yes, zones 2 through 9, and they grow 30 to 36 inches. And we're gonna plant 5 of them in like a square foot. This package is a set of 12. I bought these at my local nursery. And so we're gonna put 5 of them, so that way it'll look full. Otherwise, I think if you plant like 1, then you just get like 1 flower. So we're gonna do 5 of them together and hope that by midsummer that it gets real big. So we're gonna go plant that in Sully's garden. But I wanted to show you the bulbs. So, oh no, he sees the bulb. No, this is what the bulb looks like. It's not food. It's not food. This is what the bulb looks like. Hang on. Okay, here is what one of the bulbs look like, and you can see that it's sprouting, and on the underside are the roots. You're going to place it in the ground with the sprout side facing up. And these bulbs you can plant close together, so there will be 5 in a square foot. So I'm going to do like 1 here, 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 and here, and 1 in the middle. And then it should grow and be super full in that area with the beautiful purple flowers. Hopefully this works. So I'm going to plant them in my corner here, and let me get the holes ready and we'll plant them up. Okay, I'm going to add some Sure Start into my holes. I'm going to have to dig a little bit. Some of these did not get deep enough. That did. So you want to make sure that the holes are about 4 inches deep, which that should be okay. Sprout side up and then give it a cover. So that one's done. And then this one was deep. So put that in there, cover it up. While I'm over here, I thought I would plant some Scabiosa. This is Pink Mist. This grows in zones 5 through 9. Yes, 5A to 9B. And this is full sun, part sun. Grows 16 to 18 inches, so it's a little bit shorter than their normal. I have never grown Scabiosa in the garden. Oh, and it's also known as pincushion. But I'm gonna give it a try. I couldn't resist. I love pink. Super pretty. And I guess it's non-toxic to dogs. It's deer resistant. They say they don't really have too much of an issue. Maybe aphids, but I guess because they attract so many pollinators that it's not an issue. So I'm gonna plant over where I planted the blazing star. So at least I'll have some color in that corner, and then we'll give it all water because we still need to water the blazing star. So let me plant these up. my Scabiosa in, I got my bulbs in, and so I'm gonna give everything a water. I'm gonna definitely water from the roots, not on the plant because it is a little sunny out. I normally do this in the morning, like on the weekend, but I wanted to get them in the ground because I'm getting tired of watering them. It's been so warm here. And don't forget, we also got to water our bulbs, which are, I put the little pink tag right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in. I put the little pink tag in there so I remember that I planted something in that spot because I may forget. So we're gonna give it a nice drink of water, but you shouldn't have to water the blazing stars too much until you start seeing them sprout. They are drought tolerant, but the first year they need some water. We are signing off. This is my sunny boy. We are signing off. I can't wait to see what the blazing star looks like. Ew, my glasses. And the Scabiosa. I forgot where we planted. So I'm gonna go in and get something to eat. I hope you guys have a great day and happy gardening. Hi everyone. Oh, and my baby here. Today we are gonna be planting blazing stars. Blazing stars, they're bulbs, and I'll show you those. And they bloom from midsummer to fall. They're so pretty, but honestly, I don't have the best of luck with them. So I'm crossing fingers this works. I normally have bought in the plant, put them in the ground, and then they die. So we're gonna try by bulbs this year. They're super easy to plant. You plant 5 of them in like a square foot, and I'm blanking out here because I got one that's in the house that wants to come out. Hang on. Okay. Anyway, so let's get planting. Boys. So they're blazing stars. They're also known as Gayfeather. Hang on.